Hello, this is Jake from Jake and Dar, and you're watching Ma Chevere. Enjoy.
What's up, guys? Good morning or good afternoon, or it all depends where you guys at. I wanted to show you guys how much snow we got, and this is the front of my house, and as you can see, I haven't even been able to clean the side of my sidewalk. I mean, this is all the snow that we shoveled yesterday. It's a lot of snow. Slide. So check it out. We had like what, 2.5 feet of snow. We actually have to shovel so they can slide.
Collect all big snowballs.
Here comes Mom.
Wow.